Inner Voice is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you become more aware of your emotional state. With just a 10-second voice recording, it analyzes the frequencies in your voice to identify emotional imbalances and supports realignment through personalized sound frequencies. Let's walk you through it. Select Inner Voice on the homepage. At the top of the screen, choose to run Inner Voice on its own or combined with a vital scan. This option exists because the overall state of our body affects our emotions. Let's do the Inner Voice and Vitals option. Before you begin, make sure your bone-conducting headphones are in place. You'll need to wear them throughout the scan. Once you start, the scan will begin with the Inner Voice section. You'll be prompted to speak for 10 seconds. We recommend starting with, "I am," then your full name. Then, continue speaking naturally for the rest of the time. Talk about how you're feeling, your day, or anything that's on your mind. After the voice recording, the scan will automatically transition to the Vitals section. Once it's complete, your balancing harmonics will appear. This includes a personalized pulse number and average frequency, the 3 frequencies most out of range and the 1 most suppressed, and 4 balancing tones composed using the Verdi scale, which is tuned to 432 Hz for more natural harmony with the body's energy. To listen, tap Balancing Harmonics. Your tones will play for an approximate 12-minute duration. View your results by tapping on the Reports button. This is a concise report that only includes the frequencies that are most out of range. And that's it. Inner Voice can be as simple or as personalized as you want. The secret is to explore, experiment, and find what works best for you.